Hello everyone. Dr. Mbuyseni Ndlozi, the senior leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, has taken a swipe at government for Thabo Bester's shenanigans. Ever since the news of Thabo Bester and his girlfriend Dr. Nandipha Makudumana broke, it has exposed how the government is failing to do their job. Thabo and his girlfriend were nabbed in Tanzania with a Mozambican national. Thabo Bester faked his death and managed to escape and was living with his girlfriend in Hyde Park last year. The G4S private company that has the contract with the Mangaung Correctional Service Center where Thabo Bester was kept, that G4S company has been grilled by Member of Parliaments, and the Member of Parliaments have exposed the G4S security company on how they are failing to do their job. Ndlozi has taken to his timeline and has expressed his views on the matter. He wrote, "The Thabo Bester escape was deliberately kept under wraps by G4S, SAPS and politicians involved, Lamula, etc., so as to not hurt internal ANC campaigns. JICS, Justice Cameroon, is not complicit in this, because why agree not to go public immediately about the escape of so dangerous a criminal?" People have reacted on his statement. Others agreed with him, while others disagreed with him. One tweet said, "Only one person you need to leave out of your complicity conspiracies is just Edwin Cameron. The man should have been Chief Justice. His morals, ethics, and dedication to law is beyond question. And you are defaming him." Another one said, "Normally I agree with you, but JICS seems to me to be the only unit that was investigating this issue, and had they prematurely made the information public, then we know the powers that would have intercepted whistleblowers and investigators behind this." Another one said, "My question is, how much did they spend to send a high-level delegation to go and facilitate the extradition? Charter a private plane over criminals. They should have just left them there or sent them to Congo jail." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.